Are you tired of working your 9-to-5 job and dreaming of making money online, but you feel stuck because you just don't know where to start? I've been there before. But what if I told you with the help of AI, you could be creating digital products in just 24 hours and start making thousands? And I'm speaking from personal experience as someone that uses AI almost every single day and throughout the month to make my monthly income without a job. So in today's video, we are diving into 5 digital products that you can create in just one day with the help of AI tools. No, you don't need any fancy equipment, no experience. Whether you're looking to build passive income, escape that 9-to-5 job that you hate, or finally turn your side hustle into a full-time income, this is the video that you've been waiting on, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step so that once you're done watching this video, you have all of the necessary tools that you need to succeed at making this money online with AI. So the first digital product that you can create in just 24 hours with AI is going to be an ebook. Ebooks are still incredibly profitable. People are constantly looking for quick guides, how-tos, and niche knowledge. And with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Pseudo-Write, you can generate the content in hours. You don't even need to be an expert because AI helps structure and write the content for you based on the topic you select. So here's how you'll do it step by step. You want to pick a high-demand niche, such as how to start a side hustle, credit repair, or fitness for busy moms. And then you'll use ChatGPT to draft an outline for your content. Use Canva or Bisme to design a professional cover and format the ebook. And then you're going to go and sell it on Gumroad, PayHip, or your own Shopify store. I have a link in the description of this video for you to start your Shopify store for the low. People are making $20 to $50 per sale on short 20 to 50 page ebooks. So just imagine if you're selling like 10 of those a day. Do the math. You can easily run it up. And for a little bonus tip, you can add an upsell, such as a worksheet, template, or a video walkthrough. And boom, you've got a mini digital product bundle that you can sell for even more money. Now, next up, we have printables. Listen, y'all, this one is a gold mine. And yes, you can also create printables in less than 24 hours with AI. Printables are digital files people download and print at home. So think about planners, budget trackers, affirmations, workout logs, kids' learning sheets, wedding checklists, and things of that sort. All right, so here's how you do it fast. Use ChatGPT to help generate content or ideas. Then you're going to go and use Canva to create aesthetic, ready-to-sell printable designs. And you'll use AI image generators like Kittl or Midjourney for icons or art. Then you're going to upload your printables to Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachers Pay Teachers if it's educational content. There are so many regular everyday people making $1,000 or more per month doing this, just selling 1 or 2 printables. And you can actually look at Etsy for trending printable ideas and find what's working. Then you want to just remix it and put your own spin to it. All right, now something that's trending and super scalable right now is going to be digital planners. With the rise of tablets and GoodNotes notability users, digital planners are in high demand. They can be daily, weekly, monthly, or themed like goal setting, mental wellness, or business planning. Now here's how you're going to build one in under 24 hours. Use AI like ChatGPT to help structure your planner sections. Use Canva or Notion to design it. Then you want to export it as a PDF. Sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Mind you, I have that link in the description of this video for you to create your own Shopify website for the low. And these planners can sell from $10 to $40 each, or however you want to price it. Price what you're worth. Just sell 100 copies of those a month and boom, you're bringing in the dough. And honestly, even if you're selling less than 100, just a few of those per week can be additional money on top of what you're already earning. And of course, if you want to scale this to a full-time income, you're going to shoot for a higher goal each month. All right, now so many people don't know this, but you can actually create a mini online course or digital workshop with the help of AI in just a day. We make time for what we want, so don't tell me that you don't have the time. That time that you spend scrolling on social media, that time that you spend just laying there in the bed watching TV, you could literally be building something that could change your life. And it doesn't have to be a long 10-hour course. You can do anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. And believe it or not, there are people that are paying for this. Just focus on solving one specific problem that individuals have. Now you're going to go into ChatGPT to script the outline and lesson structure. Use Pictory or HeyGen to turn text into faceless video content. Or you can use screen recording tools like Loom to walk through your content. Use Canva to create your slide decks or PDFs. And mind you, y'all, I use Canva all the time. I've made so much money off Canva. I have the Canva Pro version, and I will keep the Pro. It's worth paying for each month because I make that money back and I more than quadruple it. Okay, so it's definitely worth it. Now, use Canva to create your slide decks or PDFs. Upload it to Teachable, Gumroad, Podia, or Thinkific. And people are paying anywhere from $30 to $100 for quick solutions to their problems. And I've even seen people pay more than that for things such as how to grow on YouTube, how to build a budget in one day, how to start freelancing with no experience. Your mini course does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be useful, and you can use AI to really tailor it to specific needs. All right, now last but not least is Notion templates and digital productivity systems. So if you don't already know, Notion is a super popular productivity app, and people are obsessed with buying pre-built templates for it. Think content calendars, goal trackers, student planners, business dashboards, side hustle launch kits, or whatever you can imagine. You can build it in Notion. And I don't know if y'all have noticed, but we are in a society where people are obsessed with productivity. And it's really, honestly, our generation probably more than ever needs as many productivity tools as we can possibly get our hands on, for the simple fact that this generation has a shorter attention span due to the fact that we have access to these phones and so much technology, social media, things of that sort. So the attention span is low and the distractions are high. So productivity tools really help people to stay on track these days. So you can use ChatGPT to generate the structure and workflow logic, build the system in Notion, record a walkthrough or offer instructions with the Loom or AI video tools, package it and sell it on Notion marketplaces, Gumroad, or your own storefront. And there are creators making anywhere from $1,000 to over $5,000 or $10,000 per month, selling well-designed, high-value templates. And just as an extra tip, you can add a Notion tutorial or bonus checklist to increase your value. You can even offer different versions for students, creators, or entrepreneurs. And now you know five different digital products that you can create in just 24 hours with the help of AI tools. So let's just do a quick recap. We have number 1, ebooks. Number 2, printables. Number 3, digital planners. Number 4, mini online courses. Number 5, Notion templates. And each of these have the potential to make you thousands per month. It's just all about what you're willing to invest. Are you willing to sit down and take the time to do your research and to compile everything together and create your ebook, your template, whatever the case may be? And mind you, with the help of AI, it doesn't even take much time or effort at all. If you are serious about making money online, I really just walked you through some easy ways to get started and have yourself set up so that you can be happy with the life that you live every day. You don't have to try to do all 5 of these. You can literally just pick one to start with. If you're not feeling that, you can pick another and go from there. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, or even if you get kind of stuck in a certain part of your process, please come back to the comments and let me know. Subscribe and like the video for more content like this. If you'd like a part 2 of this video, or if you really like me to go more in depth on one of these digital products, let me know that in the comments as well. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.